Kalosarisma Meraki. You all know what it means? It means hello all. Welcome to Meraki, our annual event. Good evening to one and all present here. I would like to extend a warm welcome to our dignitaries. Chairman Sir, Mr. Narayanappa. Secretary Ma'am, Mrs. Anasuya Narayanappa. Founder Chairman, Mr. Suman Narayan. Founder Principal, Shweta Suman. Vice Principal, Mrs. Mamta Ramakrishna. Honorable Chief Guest, Mrs. Shobita Ravindra. Coordinator, Mrs. Asha Sandhi. Teachers and non-teaching staff. I would also extend a warm welcome to our parents, grandparents, and dear kids. Welcome to our annual event, Meraki. Let's start the event by lighting a lamp. I would request all the dignitaries to please come on the dais.
शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपो हरतु मे पापं सन्ध्यादीपनमोऽस्तु ते ओ दीपब्रह्मरूपस्त्वं ज्योतिषां प्रभुरव्ययः ओ दीपब्रह्मरूपस्त्वं ज्योतिषां प्रभुरव्ययः आरोग्यं देहि पुत्रांश मतिं स्वच्छां हि मे सदा रवेरस्तं समारभ्य यावत् सूर्योदयो भवेत् रवेरस्तं समारभ्य यावत् सूर्योदयो भवेत् यस्य तिष्ठेत् गृहे दीपः तस्य नास्ति दरिद्रता शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते
Good evening, everyone. I can't hear anything from the other side. It should be more louder than me. This hall capacity is almost 360 to 400. Yes, that's the spirit. There is always a podium for every individual to dream, to desire, to determine. At Adelie International Preschool, students embark this journey of discovery, allowing them to bloom into vibrant colors. Good evening, distinguished guests and dear parents. It gives me an immense pleasure to present the school's annual report for the academic year 24-25. The report comprises of achievements made during the year gone by and at the same time sets the path for greater accomplishments and the achievements in the years to come. This year has been a very eventful one for us. Academic excellence, excellent curriculum is the hallmark of good institution. Our curriculum is based on multiple intelligence. Various fine and gross motor activities like beading, coloring, printing, dabbing, clay modeling, Montessori, sensorial activities were constantly conducted. Vocabulary activities like phonic songs, storytelling, recitation, word building, and many more are part and parcel of our curriculum. Reading and comprehension is given utmost importance to develop literary skills and reading culture among our young Adelians. Regular assessments and remedial sessions have helped to achieve the pursuit of excellence. Co-curricular activities. To nurture creativity and talent, co-curricular activities like art competition, music recitals, drama performances, Fisheries Day, Friendship Day, Raksha Bandhan, Father's Day, Grandparents' Day, World Photography Day, Tourism Day, Children's Day, Emoji Day, and World Elephant Day were celebrated. We celebrated Appreciation Week to honor the people around us who help in our daily life. These activities played a key role in enhancing teamwork and confidence among students. National and International Days. The school celebrated various significant days like Earth Day, World Environment Day, International Yoga Day, Blood Donor Day, Musical Day, Mud Day, Doctors Day, World Population Day, national festivals like Kargil Victory Day, Independence Day, Kannada Rajyotsava, Armed Forces Flag Day were celebrated with pride and honor. Students actively participated in showcasing cultural diversity and fostering a sense of responsibility and unity. When it comes to celebrations, we have been upkeeping our values and traditions through celebration of various festivals like Shri Krishna Janmashtami, Ganesha Chaturthi, Dasara, Diwali, Makara Sankranti, and Christmas. The ethical and moral atmosphere that we try to inculcate in all our children, for as we well know, values are caught rather than taught. These celebrations have reflected the spirit of togetherness and cultural harmony. Color theme, thematic color days were introduced to make learning more engaging for younger students. Activities like Red Day, Blue Day, and Yellow Day were celebrated to signify their importance and association with our emotions and passions. These celebrations build cognitive skills and encourage children to work together, share materials, and take turns. Parent engagement. We started our journey of 24-25 with a parent orientation to familiarize the parents as partners in progress with the curriculum and co-scholastic activities. The KYC Know Your Class Teacher program created a foundation for positive relationship between parents and teachers. Regular PTMs help parents to have better understanding of things at school, and in turn their constructive feedback is always encouraged and valued. Field trips and excursion. Field trips, educational trips, and excursions offered students experiential learning beyond the classroom. Visits to neighborhood park, police station, planetarium, post office, BMW, car showroom, supermarket, Enchanted Acres, Cubbon Park were many. Our field trip enhanced teamwork and resilience among our little Adelians. Achievements and accolades. Beyond the individual, award serves as a testament to the school's commitment to excellence in all domains. They reflect the quality of education, the dedication of teaching staff, and the effectiveness of school pedagogical approaches. So here's a list of awards, what we have achieved. The Brainfeed School Excellence Award. Among top 100 preschools of India 2023-24, the path-breaking preschools of India, in Times Group, ranked number 2 emerging preschool. Times Education Excellence 2023, International Green School Award, Cornell University, New York 2023. Education Today, among India's top 10 preschool, ranked number 4 in Bengaluru and Karnataka, India Merits Award 2024. And Effective Principal of the Year was being received by me in the year 2023. Times Business Award, Most Excellent Preschool in Karnataka with a Holistic Approach 2024. Many milestones have been achieved and still many have to be reached. We at Adeli will continue our unceasing efforts to mold young minds into well-balanced personalities equipped with robust educational foundation and essential life skills. Here, I conclude my annual report with a famous quote from Mr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Learning gives creativity, creativity leads to thinking, thinking provides knowledge, and knowledge makes you great. Thank you. Jai Hind. So next we have a visual bites. And before to that, I have a small announcement for you all. Since our chief guest, is quite tied up. She'll be joining us later, but we will not wait for anything. We will be starting with our program. Thank you.
Adderley International Preschool was nurtured with lot of thought process. Adderley means noble. So when we look at the quid and the penguin, it's the same age group. Whatever the age group which defines to a child, like it can walk, it can get into the water. It's very noble way it does. Even the kid also does in the same fashion. As you know that the penguin can swim, can jump, can walk. So when we look at the penguin as an example, we can compare the early years growth, the development which happens. Especially when you look at 1 to 6 years, that 0 to 6 years, the entire brain is like a sponge. Once you put a water to the sponge, it absorbs. The same way, the space entire of our infrastructure is designed such a way that once the child gets into the campus, he gets a complete sunlight, a tree there. The tree is nothing but you're connecting the nature. The central atrium, which is there in the entrance of the lobby, the child can see subtle colors like red, green, blue, all colors, the primary colors which connects to the brain. As I was mentioning about the early years brain, which is very important to a child development. Adderley infrastructure is designed such a way that 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. there is no light required. I'm very happy and glad and proud that Cornell University, New York has accredited us. They are appreciated for this particular concept school. When you look at the crochet design, it is knitted with all primary colors. Once the child gets into the campus, you find you have Channapatna toys, which is designed for the motor skills. As soon as the child gets in and gets out of the campus, when he's free or leisure time, he touches and feels that Channapatna toys. The railings what we have activates the brain of the child. The vinyl flooring which is imported by France is non-skiddy and safe for the children. We are very proud that we have received quite a number of recognition from different platforms and accreditations where they have appreciated our the design concept, a concept school from Godrej, from different establishment like even the architect firms, which they feel that it's a great experience learning for a child.
Education is not preparation for life, education is life itself. I believe that education is more than imparting knowledge. It is about character building and empowering each individual to be an enthusiastic lifelong learner and a global citizen for the future. Every individual has the potential to contribute to the society, which needs to be nurtured for it to blossom. A supportive family combined with stimulative learning environment is very essential for the child to establish his or her own place in this world. Adderley is one such school which is recognized for its quality and outcomes. We are committed to the pursuit of excellence and leadership in education services. The curriculum in our school is based upon leading pedagogical models from around the world and designed with the understanding that every child matters.
very impressed and inspired by the way the school is nurturing my child's growth, not only just educational wise, but also emotionally and socially. So I see a lot of development in my child's colloquial language, whether the way she speaks English, the way the teachers talk to her only in the English language. So this entire way of the creativity, this innovative way of teaching is there in this Adeli International School. This is brilliant. So I would definitely thank our Adeli School principal as well as all the teachers, all the staff over here who is taking care of the children, giving the personal attention, also the focus, maintaining a decent crowd for per class, maintaining a minimal crowd per class, and the way of teaching is also a fun learning kind of a thing. I have seen a lot of development in my child personally. So being a professional working woman and a mother, it is really inspiring and happy to be joined to this school. So I would definitely like to encourage all the parents out there to try Adeli International. Definitely it's a good career building school. Thank you.
ನಮಗೆ ಅಡೆಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂದು ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಏನು ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಗ ಮಕ್ಳಿಗೋಸ್ಕರನೇ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮಕ್ಳಿಗೆ ಆಟ ಆಡೋಕ್ಕಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಮತ್ತು ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಆಟ ಆಡುವಾಗ ಅವ್ರ ಸೇಫ್ಟಿನ ನೋಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರೂಫ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿದ್ದೇನು ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಗೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರು ಮಾತಾಡೋ ರೀತಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಜೊತೆ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡೋ ಪಾಠ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅದು ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಪರಿಣಾಮ ಬೀರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ. ನಮಗೆ ಅಡೆಲಿ ಸೇರಿಸಿರೋದು ತುಂಬ ಖುಷಿ ಇದೆ. ಅವಳು ಮುಂದೆ ಬರ್ತಿರೋದು, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಲಿತಿರೋದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟೀಚರ್ಸು ಮತ್ತು ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋ ಕೇರ್ ಟೇಕರ್ಸು, ನ್ಯಾನೀಸು, ಅವರು ಎಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೋತಾರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನ. ಸಣ್ಣ ಸಣ್ಣ ವಿಷಯ ಬಗ್ಗೆನೂ ತುಂಬ ಕಾಳಜಿ ವಹಿಸ್ತಾರೆ.
Got my son here in Adeli International Daycare Facility, and I would like to say that this is one of the best around here, where we feel more comfortable and it's a welcoming place for my kid. And I encourage all of you to look at Adeli International if you're wanting to send your child to a daycare facility or a preschool. For his growth, and also he's getting to know about the social skills and learning new things at school. This is what I wanted to talk about Adeli.
When we decided to come back to India last year, we had the apprehension that how Sarang will cope up with the curriculum and the studies here. But the team here, the teachers here were very good, that he had no pain in switching over from the France and the syllabus over there and here. And the team and the teachers were so good that we had no worries about the studies. It is very good.
Asha Sandeep. As the academic coordinator, I'm delighted to share a few words about the wonderful journey of early childhood education at Adeli International. We believe in nurturing every child's curiosity, creativity, and confidence. Our engaging and age-appropriate curriculum is designed to provide a strong foundation in academics, social skills, and emotional development. We create a warm and inclusive environment where children feel safe, loved, and encouraged to explore and grow at their own pace. Our experienced and passionate teachers guide them with care and attention, ensuring every child thrives in their own unique way. Thank you, stakeholders, for entrusting us with your child's early education. Together, let's make this journey a joyful and memorable experience for them.
It is with a great pleasure that I express my admiration for Adeli International Preschool that consistently demonstrates the excellence in education.
Adeli provides opportunity for the students to develop social skills, values necessary to succeed in an ever-changing world. Here we celebrate national and international days such as World Tigers Day, Photography Day, Army Day and many more.
The school has a well-rounded curriculum that balances both academic and arts. A well-planned worksheets for practice makes the children think beyond prescribed textbooks.
We have been provided with good resources and flexibility. I am grateful for the opportunities and support given throughout the year consistently.
I express my gratitude for the hard work and dedication of the management to Adeli International Preschool.
I hope you all had a lovely time watching the video. Alright. Now I would like to call upon our Secretary Ma'am, Anasuya Narayanappa, and Principal Ma'am, Shweta Suman, for prize distribution. I'd like to call upon Vedant N, who's won prize for coloring. Vedant. Vedant is from PGA. Vedant Hegde from PGA for coloring. Vedant Hegde. Nishika A from PGB for coloring competition. Siddhant Shankar for coloring competition from PGB. Next category is for costume competition. Isiri KS from PGA. Isiri. Harsha from PGA. like to call Vice Chairman Suman sir for prize distribution. The next category is clay modeling. Jashvika P from PG1. Jashvika P. Kashvi Inamdar from PG1. Next category is phonic sound. PG1A, Tashvi from PG1A. Arha S from PG1A. Adamya Raghava from PG1B. Sanav K from PG1B. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. I would like to call upon Vice Principal, ma'am, Mrs. Mamta, our teacher Radha, ma'am, for prize distribution. The next category is for memory quest competition. Naga Shivanshu Garapati from PG2. Naga Shivanshu. Soham Vishnu from PG2. Next categories for building CVC words. Monvita SP from PG2. Shara KS from PG2. Storytelling competition is the next category. Ashika C from PG3. Sarang Bhatt for storytelling from PG3. Next category is for handwriting competition. Ashika C from PG3. Harshika S. Gowda from PG3. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. A small request to all the parents. Request to please put all your awards on your lap, as the seats are meant for the elders, not for the kids, as many parents are here as waiting to be seated. If you could please put your award on your lap, I would appreciate it. Thank you. Next will be performance. First performance is a mother and daughter. Let's start our evening with the program. A small story will play, followed by dances and performances. Are you all ready to watch? Let's watch.
Welcome you all to Meraki, the memories of Retro to Metro. The theme Meraki, what we have chosen for our annual event, it's a beautiful Greek word. We all do something either with love, creativity, thoughtfulness, with soul, involving ourselves much into the work. Meraki is a journey which is filled with experiences and emotions that we can hope to resonate with and realize that we aren't alone. The memories are always with us. That's the true essence of life. The memories of Retro to Metro. The most beautiful things are not associated with money. They are memories and moments. If you don't celebrate those, they can pass you by. The story of Meraki all starts with a magical box filled with beautiful moments, vivid experiences, and unforgettable events.
Mama, can you play with me? Sorry, Vivar. I had a lot of work today. Papa, can you play with me? Sorry, beta, I am working tirelessly, right? Oh no, at least someone can play with me or tell a story. Okay, fine. You can play with your toys or watch some videos until we finish our work. So boring. I have played with all these toys and watched these videos before. Nothing interests me. Grandma, are you also feeling bored like me? Boring? What does it mean? Elders are always busy in their work. They just say no for everything. No time to play, no time to take out, no time to tell a story. Oh no! Don't worry, my dear. There is something fascinating for you. Close your eyes. I have a surprise. Open your eyes. We will unbox it carefully. In the box contains a plethora of beautiful stories. Oh no, you said there are stories in it, but I can't find them. Hold on, don't get disappointed, Susan. Everything in this box shares the beautiful stories, but not just with you, but with all of us today. I look so funny, and they're close. Oh my god, who are they? Can you guess me in this picture? This is me with my mother. These are my brother and my sisters. This was retro time. That's how we used to dress. Let me take you through my journey of retro to city of Metro.
Mothers and sons can please get ready for the next performance.
ಧರಿಗಿಳಿದಿರೋ ಮೂರುತಿ ಸ್ವರ ಬಡಿತದ ಸಾರಥಿ ಧರಿಗಿಳಿದಿರೋ ಮೂರುತಿ ಸ್ವರ ಬಡಿತದ ಸಾರಥಿ ನನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನೀನಾಗಿ ನಿನ್ನಂತೆ ನಾನಾಗಿ ಆದಾಗ ನಾ ಖಂಡಿತ ಅಮ್ಮ ಆ ಜನುಮಗೆ ಪಾವನ ನನ್ನಯ ಚೇತನ थोड़ी सी क्यूट है थोड़ी सी करारी भी थोड़ी सी कूल है थोड़ी सी पुरानी भी जैसे गर्मी में ठंडा सा शरबत खट्टा मीठा सा जैसे सर्दी में चाहत का कोई कंबल मोटा सा मेरी प्यारी अम्मी जो है मेरी प्यारी अम्मी जो है मेरी प्यारी अम्मी जो है मेरी प्यारी अम्मी जो है
Request all the father and son and father and daughter to be in the green room for the next performance. Now the performance will be from mothers and sons.
चंदा है तू मेरा सूरज है तू ओ मेरी आँखों का तारा है तू चंदा है तू मेरा सूरज है तू
పలికిన మాటల్లోనే తీయని మాటే అమ్మా కదిలే దేవత అమ్మా కంటికి వెలుగమ్మా పెదవే పలికిన మాటల్లోనే తీయని మాటే అమ్మా కదిలే దేవత అమ్మా కంటికి వెలుగమ్మా తనలో మమతే కలిపి పెడుతుంది ముద్దగా తనలాలి పాటలోని సరిగమ పంచుతుంది ప్రేమ మధురిమ పెదవే పలికిన మాటల్లోనే తీయని మాటే అమ్మా కదిలే దేవత అమ్మా కంటికి వెలుగమ్మా పెదవే పలికిన మాటల్లోనే తీయని మాటే అమ్మా కదిలే దేవత అమ్మా కంటికి వెలుగమ్మా తనలో మమతే కలిపి పెడుతుంది ముద్దగా తనలాలి పాటలోని సరిగమ పంచుతుంది ప్రేమ మధురిమ మనలోని ప్రాణం అమ్మ మనదైన రూపం అమ్మ ఎనలేని జాలి గుణమే అమ్మా నడిపించే దీపం అమ్మ కరుణించే కోపం అమ్మ వరమిచ్చే తీపి శాపం అమ్మ నాయాలి అమ్మగా తుండగా జోలాలి పాడన కమ్మగా కమ్మగా
ನೂರು ಸಾರಿ ಹೇಳಿದರು ನಾ ಆಸೆ ತೀರಲ್ಲ ಜನ್ಮ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಹಾಡಿದರು ನಾ ಪದವೇ ಮುಗಿಯಲ್ಲ ಅಮ್ಮ ಅಮ್ಮ ಐ ಲವ್ ಯು ಅಮ್ಮ ಅಮ್ಮ ಐ ಲವ್ ಯು ನೂರು ಸಾರಿ ಹೇಳಿದರು ನಾ ಆಸೆ ತೀರಲ್ಲ ಜನ್ಮ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಹಾಡಿದರು ನಾ ಪದವೇ ಮುಗಿಯಲ್ಲ ಅಮ್ಮ ಅಮ್ಮ ಐ ಲವ್ ಯು ಅಮ್ಮ ಅಮ್ಮ ಐ ಲವ್ ಯು
A bonding of father between father and son. Father and sons, please take the stage. The dais is yours.
अकेले हम अकेले तुम जो हम तुम संग है तो फिर क्या गम तू मेरा दिल तू मेरी जान
Oh, I love you, Daddy.
तू मासूम तू शैतान
But you love me, Daddy.
तू मेरा दिल तू मेरी जान
Oh, I love you, Daddy.
तू मासूम तू शैतान
But you love me, Daddy.
खुदा मेरा तेरे सिवा मेरा जग सारा हो तुम। मैंने तुम्हें जहाँ रखा कोई नहीं है वहाँ। पापा मेरी जान हरदम रखना अब हाथ ये सर पर तुम। पापा मेरी जान मेरे संग चलना हर मील का पत्थर तुम ही पे तो ठहरते हैं ये रास्ते मेरे लिए। धड़कन धड़कन तुम सीने में हर वक्त धड़कते हो। जाऊं कहीं भी मैं तुम हो या न हो पर साथ ही रहते हो। तुम होते हो इन आँखों में हर जगह। पापा मेरी जान हरदम रखना अब हाथ ये सर पर तुम। पापा मेरी जान मेरे संग चलना हर मील का पत्थर तुम ही पे तो ठहरते हैं ये रास्ते मेरे लिए।
We love you, fathers. Your hard work, your dedication, your love and affection towards your kids. Wow. Thank you for the wonderful performance, fathers.
ನಿನ್ನಂಥ ಅಪ್ಪ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದೊಂದು ಮಾತು ಬೆಲ್ಲ. ನಿನ್ನಂಥ ಅಪ್ಪ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದೊಂದು ಮಾತು ಬೆಲ್ಲ. ನೀನೆ ನನ್ನ ಜೀವ, ನೀನೆ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಣ, ಯಾವ ದೇವ ತಂದ ವರವೋ ಇನ್ನು ನಾನು ಅರಿಯೆನು.
ನಿನ್ನಂಥ ಮಗಳು ಇಲ್ಲ, ಬಾಳಲ್ಲಿ ನೀನೇ ಎಲ್ಲ. ನಿನ್ನಂಥ ಮಗಳು ಇಲ್ಲ,
ಹೌದಾ?
ಬಾಳಲ್ಲಿ ನೀನೇ ಎಲ್ಲ. ನಿನ್ನ ಕಂಡ ಮೇಲೆ ಬೆಳಕ ಕಂಡೆ ಬಾಲೆ, ಯಾವ ದೇವ ತಂದ ವರವೋ ಇನ್ನು ನಾನು ಅರಿಯನು.
ನಿನ್ನಂಥ ಅಪ್ಪ ಇಲ್ಲ,
ನಿನ್ನಂಥ ಮಗಳು ಇಲ್ಲ.
ನಾನು ನೋಡಿದ ಮೊದಲ ವೀರ, ಬಾಳು ಕಲಿಸಿದ ಸಲಹೆಗಾರ, ಬೆರಗು ಮೂಡಿಸೋ ಜಾದುಗಾರ ಅಪ್ಪ. ಹಗಲು ಬೆವರಿನ ಕೂಲಿಕಾರ, ರಾತ್ರಿ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಚೌಕಿದಾರ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಡಿಸುವ ಸಾಹುಕಾರ ಅಪ್ಪ. ಗದರೋ ಮೀಸೆಕಾರ, ಮನಸ್ಸೇ ಕೋಮಲ, ನಿನ್ನ ಹೋಲೋ ಕರ್ಣ ಯಾರಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಪ್ಪ ಐ ಲವ್ ಯು ಪಾ, ಅಪ್ಪ ಐ ಲವ್ ಯು ಪಾ, ಅಪ್ಪ ಐ ಲವ್ ಯು ಪಾ, ಅಪ್ಪ ಐ ಲವ್ ಯು ಪಾ. ಜಾದುಗಾರ
That was a wow performance. I'm feeling jealous actually. I did not get a chance with to dance with my father. I'll have to make my father dance.
Next, we have performance from PG3 students showcasing their dress. That's how we used to dress in retro. And the retro dress still remain a modern outfit.
ನಿನ್ನ ಕಂಡು ಹಾರಿ ಕುಣಿಯೋ ಗುಂಗೆದ್ದಿತು ಕೋಡಿಯಂತೆ ಹರಿದು ಬಂದ ಈ ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿಗೆ ಜೋಡಿ ಇತ್ತು ಆಡುಬಾರೋ ನನ್ನೊಂದಿಗೆ ಜೋಡಿ ಇತ್ತು ಆಡುಬಾರೋ ನನ್ನೊಂದಿಗೆ ಗಿಲ್ 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 ಗಿಲಕ್ ಕಾಲಿಗೆಜ್ಜೆ ಝಣಕ್ ಕೈಯ ಬಳೆ ಠಣಕ್ ರಂಗೆದ್ದಿತು ನಿನ್ನ ಕಂಡು ಹಾರಿ ಕುಣಿಯೋ ಗುಂಗೆದ್ದಿತು ಪಕ್ಕ ಚಿಕ್ಕಿ ಲಕ್ಕಿ ಚಿಕ್ಕಿ ಚಿಕ್ಕಿ ಲಕ್ಕಿ ಚುಮ್ ರಪ್ಪ ಚಿಕ್ಕಿ ಲಕ್ಕಿ ಚಿಕ್ಕಿ ಚಿಕ್ಕಿ ಲಕ್ಕಿ ಚಿಕ್ಕಿ ಚುಮ್ ಪಕ್ಕ ಚಿಕ್ಕಿ ಲಕ್ಕಿ ಚಿಕ್ಕಿ ಚಿಕ್ಕಿ ಲಕ್ಕಿ ಚುಮ್ ರಪ್ಪ ಚಿಕ್ಕಿ ಲಕ್ಕಿ ಚಿಕ್ಕಿ ಚಿಕ್ಕಿ ಲಕ್ಕಿ ಚಿಕ್ಕಿ ಚುಮ್ मैं ख्वाबों की शहज़ादी मैं हूँ हर दिल पे छाई मैं ख्वाबों की शहज़ादी मैं हूँ हर दिल पे छाई बादल है मेरे दिल पे बिजली मेरी अंगड़ाई बिजली गिराने मैं हूँ आई बिजली गिराने मैं हूँ आई कहती है मुझको हवा हवाई
रायबरेली में तो बीच बाजारी जब हुस्न दिखाने जाएगी होश उड़ाने वाली शौक नजर के जो पेच लड़ाने जाएगी रायबरेली में तो बीच बाजारी जब हुस्न दिखाने जाएगी होश उड़ाने वाली शौक नजर के जो पेच लड़ाने जाएगी अरे बहन के इतना जेवर कहना तेज हवा से बच के रहना गिर जाए तो फिर ना कहना झुमका गिरा दे
What झुमका? What झुमका? What झुमका?
जापानी, ये पतलून इंग्लिस्तानी, सर पे लाल टोपी रूसी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी। मेरा जूता है जापानी, ये पतलून इंग्लिस्तानी, सर पे लाल टोपी रूसी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी। मेरा जूता है जापानी।
ಉಡುಪು ನಿನ್ನದು, ನಿನ್ನ ಉಡುಪು ನನ್ನದು, ನನ್ನ ಉಡುಪು ನಿನ್ನದು, ನಿನ್ನ ಉಡುಪು ನನ್ನದು. ನಾನು ಹೊರಗೆ ಹೋಗುವೆ, ಊರ ಸುತ್ತಿ ನೋಡುವೆ, ಊರ ಸುತ್ತಿ ನೋಡುವೆ. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. ನಿನ್ನ ಉಡುಪು ನನ್ನದು, ನನ್ನ ಉಡುಪು ನಿನ್ನದು, ನಿನ್ನ ಉಡುಪು ನನ್ನದು, ನನ್ನ ಉಡುಪು ನಿನ್ನದು. ನನ್ನದಿನ್ನು ಅರಮನೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವೆ ಚಮ್ಮನೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವೆ ಚಮ್ಮನೆ. ಗೆಳೆಯರನ್ನು ಸೇರಿ ನಾನು ಕಬಡ್ಡಿ ಆಟ ಆಡುವೆ, ಕಬಡ್ಡಿ 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 ಕಬಡ್ಡಿ. ಗೆಳೆಯರನ್ನು ಸೇರಿ ನಾನು ಕಬಡ್ಡಿ ಆಟ ಆಡುವೆ, ಹರಿವ ನದಿಗೆ ದುಡುಮೆಂದು ಧುಮುಕಿ ನಾನು ಈಜುವೆ. ಆಗ ನಾನೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ರಾಜಸಭೆಗೆ ರಾಜನಂತೆ ಟಿವಿಯಿಂದ ಹೋಗುವೆ, ರಾಜನಂತೆ ರಾಜಸಭೆಗೆ ಟಿವಿಯಿಂದ ಹೋಗುವೆ. ಮೆತ್ತಗಿರುವ ಕುರ್ಚಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ತಸಕ್ಕೆಂದು ಕೂರುವೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀನು ಎಂತ ಚಂದ ಗೆಳೆಯನೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಎಂತ ಚಂದ ಗೆಳೆಯನೆ. ನನ್ನ ಉಡುಪು ನಿನ್ನದು, ನಿನ್ನ ಉಡುಪು ನನ್ನದು, ನಿನ್ನ ಉಡುಪು ನನ್ನದು, ನನ್ನ ಉಡುಪು ನಿನ್ನದು.
Fabulous performance. Continue the program with a movie. The story continues now.
What a lovely bonding we cherished with our parent. I always loved the retro fashion and the accessories. It triggered my memories like wrapped in the cozy blanket of nostalgia. It's so amazing. Rocking horse. Yes, a rocking horse. That was bought in a fair. I had very few toys but shared with many. I always cherished this toy because it comforted me at all times. लकड़ी की काठी पे घोड़ा, घोड़े की दुम पे जो मारा हथौड़ा, दौड़ा 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 घोड़ा दुम उठा के दौड़ा. लकड़ी की काठी पे घोड़ा, घोड़े की दुम पे जो मारा हथौड़ा, दौड़ा 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 घोड़ा दुम उठा के दौड़ा. लकड़ी की काठी पे घोड़ा, घोड़े
बनाई टकबक 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 घोड़ा पहुंचा चौक में खाना आई घोड़े की गिराई ने हजामत जो बनाई दौड़ा 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 घोड़ा दुम उठा के दौड़ा लकड़ी की काठी काठी पे घोड़ा घोड़े की दुम पे जो मारा हथौड़ा दौड़ा 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 घोड़ा दुम उठा के दौड़ा घोड़ा था गो मंडी पहुंचा सब्जी मंडी बर्फ पड़ी थी बर्फ में लग गई ठंडी टकबक 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 घोड़ा था गो मंडी पहुंचा सब्जी मंडी बर्फ पड़ी थी बर्फ में लग गई ठंडी दौड़ा 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 घोड़ा जुम उठा के दौड़ा लकड़ी की काठी काठी पे घोड़ा घोड़े की दुम पे जो मारा हथौड़ा दौड़ा 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 घोड़ा दुम उठा के दौड़ा लकड़ी की काठी काठी पे घोड़ा घोड़े की दुम पे जो मारा हथौड़ा दौड़ा 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 घोड़ा दुम उठा के दौड़ा
ಬೊಂಬೆ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೈತೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೈತೆ ನೀನೇ ರಾಜಕುಮಾರ ಬೊಂಬೆ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೈತೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೈತೆ ನೀನೇ ರಾಜಕುಮಾರ ಹೊಸ ಬೆಳಕೊಂದು ಹೊಸಿಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದು ಬೆಳಗಿದೆ ಮನೆಯ ಮನಗಳ ಇಂದು ಆರಾಧಿಸೋ ರಾಜರತ್ನನ ಆಡಿಸಿಯೇ ನೋಡು ಬೀಳಿಸಿಯೇ ನೋಡು ಎಂದು ಸೋಲದು ಸೋತು ತಲೆಯ ಬಾಗದು ಬೊಂಬೆ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೈತೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೈತೆ ನೀನೇ ರಾಜಕುಮಾರ ಗುಡಿಸಲೇ ಆಗಲಿ ಅರಮನೆಯಾಗಲಿ ಆಟವೇ ನಿಲ್ಲದು ಎಂದು ಆಟ ನಿಲ್ಲದು ಹಿರಿಯರೇ ಇರಲಿ ಕಿರಿಯರೇ ಬರಲಿ ಭೇದವೇ ತೋರದು ಎಂದು ಭೇದ ತೋರದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ದು ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲದ ಹಾಗೆ ಬದುಕಿರುವ ಆಕಾಶ ನೋಡದ ಕೈಯೇ ನೆನೆದು ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಹಂಚಿರುವ ಜೊತೆಗಿರು ನೀನು ಅಪ್ಪನ ಹಾಗೆ ಹಣ್ಣೆಲೆ ಕಾಯೋ ವಿನಯದಿ ಹೀಗೆ ನಿನ್ನನು ಪಡೆದ ನಾವು ಪುನೀತ ಬಾಳು ನಗು ನಗುತ್ತಾ ಬೊಂಬೆ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೈತೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೈತೆ ನೀನೇ ರಾಜಕುಮಾರ. ಆಡಿಸಿಯೇ ನೋಡು, ಬೀಳಿಸಿಯೇ ನೋಡು, ಎಂದು ಸೋಲದು, ಸೋತು ತಲೆಯ ಬಾಗದು. ಬೊಂಬೆ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೈತೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೈತೆ ನೀನೇ ರಾಜಕುಮಾರ.
Let's all cheer for them. They gave a wonderful performance for us. Come on, claps, parents.
The story continues now.
Wow, there is such a meaningful story behind the doll. Grandma, what a beautiful hand-woven basket. Can I take this? Of course, but let me tell you, behind of this basket, we often went on a family picnic and had a wonderful time together. We never had food in restaurants, but we used to carry freshly cooked food in this basket.
We have our tiny tots from PG1. Let's cheer them.
ಮಾನವನಾಗಿ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನೇನ್ ಕಂಡಿ, ಮಾನವನಾಗಿ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನೇನ್ ಕಂಡಿ, ಸಾಯೋ ತನಕ ಸಂಸಾರದೊಳಗೆ ಗಂಡ ಗುಂಡಿ, ಹೇರಿಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಸತ್ತಾಗ್ ಬಂಡಿ, ಹೇರಿಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಸತ್ತಾಗ್ ಬಂಡಿ, ಇರೋದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಒಮ್ಮೆ ನೋಡು ಜೋಗ ಗುಂಡಿ. ಮಾನವನಾಗಿ ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನೇನ್ ಕಂಡಿ, ಸಾಯೋ ತನಕ ಸಂಸಾರದೊಳಗೆ ಗಂಡ ಗುಂಡಿ, ಹೇರಿಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಸತ್ತಾಗ್ ಬಂಡಿ, ಇರೋದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಒಮ್ಮೆ ನೋಡು ಜೋಗ ಗುಂಡಿ.
जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना. जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना. हाँ, जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना. अरे ओडले ओडले ओ, 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 ओडले ओडले ओ. दिल चाहता है, दिल चाहता है कभी न बीते चमकीले दिन. दिल चाहता है हम ना रहे कभी यारों के बिन. दिन दिन भर हो प्यारी बातें, झूमे शामें गाए रातें, मस्ती में रहे डूबा डूबा हमेशा समा. हमको राहों में यूं ही मिलती रहे खुशियाँ. दिल चाहता है कभी न बीते चमकीले
continues.
What a lovely time you all had. Grandma, let's also plan for picnic soon. It's so fun to gather together. I hope Mama and Papa will also join me. Certainly, my dear. Have you seen this before? No, but it looks interesting. What is it, Grandma? Can I touch it? It's a lantern. We used this during many occasions, mainly to light up and decorate our home during Deepavali. Many such lanterns were used. Now people use paper lanterns, whatever is it. Celebrations are important. It bridges between generations, allowing elders to pass down traditions, stories and values to younger member of the family. Most important was lip-smacking delicious food. No celebrations are complete without scrumptious food, music and dance.
ದೀಪದಿಂದ ದೀಪವ 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 ಹಚ್ಚಬೇಕು ಮಾನವ 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 ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಹಂಚಿರೋ ದೀಪದಿಂದ ದೀಪವ ಹಚ್ಚಬೇಕು ಮಾನವ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಹಂಚಲು ಮನಸ್ಸಿನಿಂದ ಮನಸ್ಸನು ಬೆಳಗಬೇಕು ಮಾನವ ಮೇಲು ಕೀಳು ಭೇದ ನಿಲ್ಲಲು ಭೇದವಿಲ್ಲ ಬೆಂಕಿಗೆ ದ್ವೇಷವಿಲ್ಲ ಬೆಳಕಿಗೆ ನೀ ತಿಳಿಯೋ ನೀ ತಿಳಿಯೋ
ದೀಪದಿಂದ ದೀಪವ ಹಚ್ಚಬೇಕು ಮಾನವ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಹಂಚಲು
ದ್ವೇಷವೆಂದು ಹೊರೆ ಎಂದರು ಹಬ್ಬ ಬದಕೆ ಹೆಗಲು ಎಂದರು
ಎರಡು ಮುಖದ ನಮ್ಮ ಜನುಮದ ವೇಷಾವಳಿ
ತೆಗೆದು ಹಾಲ್ ಬೆಳಕ ಕುಡಿಯುವುದೇ ದೀಪಾವಳಿ
ದೀಪದಿಂದ ದೀಪವ ಹಚ್ಚಬೇಕು ಮಾನವ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಹಂಚಲು ಭೇದವಿಲ್ಲ ಬೆಂಕಿಗೆ ದ್ವೇಷವಿಲ್ಲ ಬೆಳಕಿಗೆ ನೀ ತಿಳಿಯೋ ನೀ ತಿಳಿಯೋ मेरे तुम्हारे सबके लिए हैप्पी दिवाली सारे सितारे उसके लिए हैप्पी दिवाली
हर किसी के
दिल में है वही
हो ज़मीन या आसमां हो
है हर कहीं रोशनी 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 ये भी उसी का नाम है ये जहां हर उसी का काम है उसने बनाई सबने लिए हैप्पी दिवाली सारे सितारे उसके लिए हैप्पी दिवाली उसने बनाई सबके लिए हैप्पी दिवाली सारे सितारे उसके लिए हैप्पी दिवाली
Let's all clap for the kids. Come on. Come on, parents. Use all your energy. Give them good claps.
ಭಕ್ಷ್ಯಗಳಿವು ಬೀಗರಿಗೆ ಔತಣವಿದು ದೊರಕೊಂಡಿತನೆಗೆ ಬಂದು ವಿವಾಹ ಭೋಜನವಿದು ವಿಚಿತ್ರ ಭಕ್ಷ್ಯಗಳಿವು ಬೀಗರಿಗೆ ಔತಣವಿದು ದೊರಕೊಂಡಿತನೆಗೆ ಬಂದು ಓಹೋರೆ ಗಾರಿಗೆಗಳೇ ಆಹಾರ ಮಂಡಿಗೆಗಳೇ ಓಹೋರೆ ಗಾರಿಗೆಗಳೇ ಆಹಾರ ಮಂಡಿಗೆಗಳೇ ಗುಳೂರಿಗೆ ಚಿರೋಟಿ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ ಸಾಟಿ ವಿವಾಹ ಭೋಜನವಿದು ವಿಚಿತ್ರ ಭಕ್ಷ್ಯಗಳಿವು ಬೀಗರಿಗೆ ಔತಣವಿದು ದೊರಕೊಂಡಿತೆನೆಗೆ ಬಂದು
ಮಾವಿನ ತೋಪಲಿ ಸಾವಿರ ಕಾಯಿ ಆರಿಸಬೇಕು ನೀನೊಂದ ಮಾವಿನ ತೋಪಲಿ ಸಾವಿರ ಕಾಯಿ ಆರಿಸಬೇಕು ನೀನೊಂದ ಹುಳಿಯಿದ್ದರೆ ಉಪ್ಪಿನಕಾಯಿ ಸಿಹಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದರೆ ಸೀಕರಣೆ ಹುರಿದಿಟ್ಟ ಮೆಣಸಿನಕಾಯಿ ಸಿಡಿ ಎಂದರೆ ಒಗ್ಗರಣೆ ಮಾವಿನ ತೋಪಲಿ ಸಾವಿರ ಕಾಯಿ ಆರಿಸಬೇಕು ನೀನೊಂದ ಒಂದೇ ಹಣ್ಣಲ್ಲಿ ಬಗೆ ಬಗೆ ರೀತಿ ಇಟ್ಟನು ಯಾಕೆ ಭಗವಂತ
ಈ ಜನುಮವೇ ಆಹ ದೊರಕಿದೆ ರುಚಿ ಸವಿಯಲು ಈ ಜಗವಿದೆ ನವರಸಗಳ ಉಣಬಡಿಸಲು ಬಿಸಿ ಬಿಸಿ ಇದೆ ಬಿಸಿ ಬಿಸಿ ಇದೆ ನಳಪಾಕ ದಿನ ದಿನ ನೂತನ ಈ ಬಿಸಿಯುವಾರುವ ಮೊದಲೇ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಜೊತೆಯ ಮೆಲ್ಲುವ ಕಲೆಯ ಜೀವನ ಜನುಮವೇ ಈ ಜನುಮವೇ ಆಹ ದೊರಕಿದೆ ರುಚಿ ಸವಿಯಲು ಈ ಜನುಮವೇ ಆಹ ದೊರಕಿದೆ ರುಚಿ ಸವಿಯಲು ಈ ಜಗವಿದೆ ನವರಸಗಳ ಉಣಬಡಿಸಲು
Looking cute with a wonderful performance. Such little ones with such great energy and a wonderful performance. They're all entertaining us. Let's all give them a clap. Thank you, kids.
Joking, even go to the move for you, so to hold you ready. me more. I just wanna party hard like an animal. I see her dancing hard like a deep outstanding. No love or passion for all this woman so out of fashion. Fairy blue, right deep jeans. Don't need like a little bit of me. Let's not have it, gotta be too free. Sounding like an ear doctor, please. Let's celebrate. Let's celebrate this moment. Moment, moment, moment. Let's Instagram this. Let's Instagram this moment. Moment, moment, moment. I just wanna live this moment. Moment, moment. They call me the mood mechanic. Magic. Fix got I'm at automatic. Quick. I just but they wanna be rappers. I'm so sick, they got I'm the baddest. Okay, boom, bitch. Get up and jump, I'm Superman. Then figure it be better than the Lord. Why? I feel like a one man. Get a lot of me food on me, I get up. He tell it moves, but I like a man. Did it look so, but I gave out of me. Decided to delete, gotta get down to me.
Complete satisfaction now, right? So now I request, please be seated. Much awaited performance now, a lovely performance by our kids of PG2.
What a vibrant and colorful celebration. I love bursting crackers with my friends and cousins. Grandma, don't forget to prepare ladus in this Deepavali. It tempted me more after watching these dances. I want to eat egg gadod gaja. Aha, aha, aha. Definitely, I'll prepare lots of sweets and service to you. Let's have a grand celebration in this Deepavali. Not just having fun always, it's important to study as well. I wish you to grow up a successful and great person. That's what my teachers and parents wished for me. I was not born in digital age like you. I had very few books, few toys, simple living, had great experiences. This slate was my first book to read and write.
ಈ ಕನ್ನಡದ ಅಕ್ಷರಮಾಲೆ ಅಮ್ಮ ಎಂಬುದೇ ಕಂದನ ಕರುಳಿನ ಕರೆಯೋಲೆ ಈ ಕನ್ನಡದ ಅಕ್ಷರಮಾಲೆ ಅಮ್ಮ ಎಂಬುದೇ ಕಂದನ ಕರುಳಿನ ಕರೆಯೋಲೆ ಆಟ ಊಟ ಓಟ ಕನ್ನಡ ಒಂದನೆ ಪಾಠ ಆಟ ಊಟ ಓಟ ಕನ್ನಡ ಒಂದನೆ ಪಾಠ ಕನ್ನಡ ಭಾಷೆಯ ಕಲಿತವಗೆ ಜೀವನವೇ ರಸದೂಟ ಈ ಕನ್ನಡದ ಅಕ್ಷರಮಾಲೆ ಅಮ್ಮ ಎಂಬುದೇ ಕಂದನ ಕರುಳಿನ ಕರೆಯೋಲೆ ಇದ್ದವರೆಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲದವರಿಗೆ ನೀಡಲೇಬೇಕು ಈಶ್ವರ अरे ओले
ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಯೋಧ ನಾಡಿಗೆ ರೈತ ಬಾಳಿಗೆ ಗುರು ಒಬ್ಬ ತಾನೆ ಅಕ್ಷರ ಕಲಿಸೋ ಅಜ್ಞಾನ ಅಳಿಸೋ ಅವನೂನು ಅನ್ನದಾತಾನೆ ತಪ್ಪು ಸರಿಯ ತಿದ್ದಿ ತಿಳಿ ಹೇಳಿ ಸಮಬುದ್ಧಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಿತ್ತ ಶುದ್ಧಿಯಾಗೋ ಹಾದಿ ಎಷ್ಟೇ ದೂರ ಹೋದ್ರೂ ಮರಿಬೇಡ ನಿನ್ನ ಬೇರು ನಿನ್ನ ಸಾಧನೆಗೆಲ್ಲ ಇದುವೇ ಆದಿ ಪಾಠಶಾಲಾ 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 ಪಾಠಶಾಲಾ
Danadom, 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 danadom. Danadom, 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 danadom.
हमें लिखना है पढ़ना है आगे ही बढ़ना है खाते हैं हम ये कसम
Danadom, 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 danadom.
जो ज्ञान का रास्ता है शिक्षा का रास्ता है उसी पे चलेंगे हम
सत्य क्या है ये सुनो अपने मन में जान लो ज्ञान की जो रोशनी है उसमें ही तो जिंदगी है
पाओ शिक्षा पाओ भोजन स्वस्थ मन हो स्वस्थ जीवन
वो जो शिक्षा पा गया है वही आगे आ गया है
पाओ शिक्षा पाओ भोजन स्वस्थ मन हो स्वस्थ जीवन
Oh, school, memories of school always last till our last breath, right? Right, parents? Yes, that's what you saw now, our tiny tots.
Grandma, I feel you had the most memorable moment in your school, isn't it? Yes, dear. Each day was magical in my school life. Experiences are surely countless and the best days of my life. Memories have been part and parcel of my life, much like everyone else. We remember the good days which have gone by, bad ones as well. I should pass down this Merax box to you to embrace and create your movement.
Always hold fast to the present. Every situation, indeed, every moment is of great value, for it is the representative of the whole eternity.
We have a performance from our teachers.
यादों की बारात निकली है आज दिल के द्वार की शहनाई बीते दिनों को पुकारे दिल के द्वारे ओ छेड़ो तराने मिलन के प्यारे प्यारे संग हमारे। तुम भी गाओ ना। यादों की बारात निकली है आज दिल के द्वारे दिल के द्वारे। सपनों की शहनाई बीते दिलों को पुकारे दिल के द्वारे।
ಸವಿ ಸವಿ ನೆನಪು ಸಾವಿರ ನೆನಪು ಸಾವಿರ ಕಾಲಕ್ಕೂ ಸವೆಯದ ನೆನಪು ಎದೆಯಾಳದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಚ್ಚಿಕೊಂಡಿರುವ ಅಚ್ಚಳಿಯದ ನೂರೊಂದು ನೆನಪು ಸವಿ ಸವಿ ನೆನಪು ಸವಿ ಸವಿ ನೆನಪು ಸಾವಿರ ನೆನಪು ಎದೆಯಾಳದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಚ್ಚಿಕೊಂಡಿರುವ ಅಚ್ಚಳಿಯದ ನೂರೊಂದು ನೆನಪು ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ತೊರೆದ ಹಾಗೆ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಪಡೆದ ಹಾಗೆ ಅಮ್ಮನ ಮಡಿಲ ಅಪ್ಪಿದ ಹಾಗೆ ಕಣ್ಣಂಚಲ್ಲಿ ಕಣ್ಣೀರ ನೆನಪು
Here's to the ones that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here but you're not. Cause it bring back all the memories of everything we've been through. Toast to the ones here today. Toast to the ones that we lost on the way. Cause it bring back all the memories. And the memories bring back your. There's a time that I remember when I did not know no pain. When I believed in forever and everything would stay the same. Now my heart feel like December when somebody say your name. Cause I can't reach out to call you, but I know I will one day. Hey. Everybody hurts sometimes, everybody hurts someday. Hey, hey. But everything gon' be alright. Gonna raise a glass and say, hey. Here's to the ones that we got. Cheers to the wish you were here but you're not. Cause it bring back all the memories of everything we've been through.
That was a passionate teacher,
ಈ ದಿನದ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಸಂತಸದ ಮತ್ತು ಸಂಭ್ರಮದ ಶುಭ ಸಂಜೆಯ ಅಡಿಲೆ ಕುಟುಂಬದ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸದಸ್ಯರುಗಳಿಗೆ ಜೋರಾದ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆಯೊಂದಿಗೆ ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಗಳನ್ನ ನಾವು ಹೇಳಲೇಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಕಾರಣ ಇಷ್ಟೇ, ಒಂದು ವಿದ್ಯಾಮಂದಿರ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಅದು ದೇವಾಲಯ ಇದ್ದ ಹಾಗೆ. ಆ ಅಡಿಲೆಯ ಇಡೀ ಕುಟುಂಬದವರು ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಕ್ಕಳಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಸುಪ್ತ ಶಕ್ತಿಗಳನ್ನು ಹೊರಗಡೆ ತರುವುದರ ಮೂಲಕ ಆ ಮಗು ಪ್ರಪಂಚಕ್ಕೆ ತಾನೇನಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ಕಾಣಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡಲೇಬೇಕು ಎನ್ನುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ತೀರ್ಮಾನವನ್ನು ಈ ಒಂದು ವೇದಿಕೆ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇಡೀ ಅಡಲೆ ಬಂಧುಗಳಿಗೆ ಹೃತ್ಪೂರ್ವಕ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ, ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಪ್ರೇಮಿಯಾಗಿ, ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರ ಮಗನಾಗಿ, ನಾನೂ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕನಾಗಿ ಇಡೀ ಅಡಿಲೆ ಕುಟುಂಬವನ್ನು ಜೋರಾದ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆಯೊಂದಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಅಭಿನಂದಿಸೋಣ. ಅಡಿಲೆ ವಿದ್ಯಾಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಬೆಳೆಯಲಿ, ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು ಬೆಳೆಸಲಿ, ನಾಡಿಗೆ ಕೀರ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ತರುವಂತೆ ಆಗಲಿ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ಶುಭ ನುಡಿಗಳನ್ನು ಆಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಹಳ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಬಹುದೂರದಿಂದ ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನು ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ಆನಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಪಾರವೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಒಂದು ಮಾತು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಸಂಪತ್ತಿಗೆ ಸಮನಾದ್ದು ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವುದೂ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸಂತೃಪ್ತಿಯೇ ಸಂಪತ್ತು ಎನ್ನುವಂತಹ ಮಾತು. ಅಂತಹ ಸಂತೃಪ್ತಿಯ ಒಂದು ವೇದಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ಕಲ್ಪಿಸಿದ್ದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ. ಇಡೀ ಕುಟುಂಬಕ್ಕೆ ಶುಭವಾಗಲಿ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ಶುಭ ಸಂಜೆ.
It's my privilege to deliver the word of thanks on this wonderful occasion of our annual day celebration. First and foremost, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude to the dignitaries present here today. Your presence has graced this event and added to its significance. A special thanks to our esteemed chief guest for sparing your valuable time and joining us today. A big round of applause and gratitude to our talented children who have filled this evening with this mesmerizing performance. Your hard work, enthusiasm and creativity have made this event a grand success. To our dedicated teaching staffs, thank you for your tireless efforts in mentoring, guiding and shaping the students, not just for today's event but every single day. To our equally hardworking non-teaching staff, your behind-the-scenes support and dedication ensures the smooth functioning of everything we do. Your contributions are invaluable. A special appreciation to Ms. Manjula and Mr. Siddesh, our talented art teachers whose creativity and vision have brought life and vibrancy to this event. To our lightman, thank you for ensuring the perfect ambience on stage. Your work often goes unnoticed, but it plays a vital role in creating a spectacular experience. Our heartfelt thanks to the team managing the auditorium for providing us with such a fantastic venue and ensuring everything is in perfect order. And finally, to everyone involved in organizing the costumes, your attention to detail has added beauty and elegance to every performance. Once again, thank you all for being here and making this annual day celebration a memorable one. Let us continue to work together, grow together and create many such beautiful memories. Happy night. Thank you. We love Adelie.